What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as Cha-Ching King, and I am on my way to Mansfield, Texas for their community-wide garage sale. Let's go see what they've got. Good morning. Doing okay. So how much are the women's clothes here?
The women's clothes are $2 a piece, and kids' clothes are $1.
You're so
All
good
right.
on that. Have you ever tried to get on?
It's not easy.
No, I was kind of scared that might break something.
Well,
Honestly.
it's happened in our office a few times. All kinds of adults have fallen on them.
I have seen too many videos for me to
Oh man.
hop on one of those things.
Yeah.
He's really good, and he wants one now that.
The dogs hadn't barked all morning. I think they know there's a dog out here now.
Yeah, they're fine.
Well, I picked out a couple. Do they leak or anything that you know of?
Not that I know of. Like I said, I mean, they were all hunted out of, and then I just gave up duck hunting, so.
Yeah.
And I was dry every time, so.
But they certainly don't look worn out.
No, they're not.
No, baby.
Those are insulated.
Yeah, they're all insulated, I think 1,200 milligrams.
Duck Commander, is that?
Those are Redhead brand on these two, and I think all three of them might be.
All right, I'll take them for 50.
Okay.
I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day out.
Yesterday it was cold.
I bet it was. Y'all did this yesterday too?
Oh yeah, it was very windy yesterday.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh, the worst nightmare.
Why are you trying to push your way out?
Trying to have more room.
How much are the shirts?
They are a quarter each.
It's retirement money.
Yeah, trying to get rid of stuff.
Those are brand new too.
Just trying to...
Well, I just trying to think if I knew anybody that crafted that would want them.
Oh yeah, that's what I use them for. I have a Cricut.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of Blu-rays.
Yep. Had a whole box full. I'm like, you know what? We've been doing the digital stuff, so.
Oh my goodness. I don't think I can afford that.
I know that was a collectible error. I can drop it down to 75 on that one.
I should have saved mine from when I was
Yeah,
playing them live.
I know the Zelda stuff is very collectible. These are just the ones that I had extras.
Extras?
Yeah.
That means you have more of them.
Yeah, I was a big Zelda fan, so I have been trying to get like every game.
You have the original t-shirts and stuff like that?
Not the t-shirts, no. I just got the games.
For me to make money, I'm probably at like 60, you know, for the pair. Link and those kind of things, a lot of times everybody thinks that those are worth hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but condition is king when it comes to the vintage games. When they're working and they're all there, they're worth more. Link will be worth more than the original Zelda, because Zelda, all I had was the cartridge. The cartridges on both of them, the gold is wearing off. The box on Link was a little bit rough. I ended up settling at $65. I have sold Link for $65. And of course, remember that eBay is going to take their share out of that. I should end up making a little bit of profit when I sell Zelda. Super excited, because for me, I was playing Zelda when it was out, when it was real time. Loved the game Zelda. I am at the last stop of the day. This is a small flea market called Renfro Days. Let's go see if we can find something here. It's future me. I wanted to pop in here and talk to you a little bit at the end of this video. It cuts off a little bit abruptly because the final place that I wind up in is super hot. There was no moving air. It was 80 degrees, 85 degrees outside. But in this building that I was in, it was easily over 100, and the camera kept shutting off.
You mean this way straight ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Moon Racer.
I don't remember which ones they got out here.
Well, you've got Charlie in the box and King Moon Racer.
And I think this is part of that. I think it just came apart.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it's any good.
Oh, okay.
No,
Oh, yeah.
the island.
Oh, the island is bit.
No, that's not from this though,
Okay.
because it's
oh,
not big enough.
No,
But it may be there somewhere.
maybe.
Being out here in this weather doesn't help
Oh,
them.
I know. Well, and
Toy people are so picky.
and she broke her back too.
Oh, no.
So things are not. It just.
Yeah.
Yeah. Things have not been
Smooth.
easy for her. So yeah. Yeah.
Whoop.
Normally she.
Yeah. See the.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the heat. That's what.
Yeah.
Gets,
Well, heat and then moisture.
Yeah.
Moisture kills the boxes
Yeah.
more than anything.
Purple ones that are hanging out.
Are those actually fry boots though?
You had one in here helping. Okay, that makes sense.
Gosh.
Yeah,
What if
fine.
I make a pile and then we settle on a price for that?
Works.
That's fine with me.
Yeah, my ex and I actually had
Is the box on the Little Mermaid, Dorothy?
It's crap.
It's crap.
Deborah, all of these
all of the boxes are bad.
Wow.
It's humidity. Humidity in the cardboard
humidity
soaks it up.
and dust.
It's,
Well, and the heat cracks the plastic.
Yes.
yes.
So
Yeah, everything that's got any kind of plastic, I mean,
it's coming apart.
it is. I mean, okay.
I do like this stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess all of this stuff.
Okay.
Any of the Princess Ariel stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know what Harry Hairball is.
Oh.
Um,
Harry Hairball is a stuffed animal, and
is that a
it's got
thing? I
little
had no.
stuffed toys inside.
So it's pregnant.
No, it's not pregnant. No, it's just things he has ingested.
So, if I got, is the Little Mermaid? Is that the same thing as Ariel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
2, 3. Well, that's a model. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of them. 13. All right. So I like those. I like the other things. Let's make sure the My Little Pony isn't valuable. Is this the My Little Pony?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got a ton of My Little Pony.
Oh yeah.
I probably couldn't afford all of that.
Oh, there's even more. Breezy's What is this? The Breezy's
This place has been closed up for a couple of years at least. The lady who owns it had broke her back and had surgery, and now she can't really run this place anymore, and she's having to liquidate everything. And so I did pick up some things, you know, like Ariel here I picked up, and I probably picked up 17 or 18 different Little Mermaid things. I didn't pick up any of the My Little Pony, and there was a lot. The few that I scanned weren't coming up, and I couldn't get a signal, but the day as a whole was fantastic. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Was a great day out. Love going to the garage sales. It's garage sale season here in Texas, and if we don't have rain, I will be out every single weekend. And so if you missed the storage lockers that Melody and I picked up, they were incredible. We are selling a lot of that, and if you would like to see those, click right here.